Kuringana na kanjo ya kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini, murimu uyu ni ucokete thi kuma gicunji kia 5.6 nginyagia gicunji kia 4.9 harĩ igana.
The number of new infections in the last year in 2018 according to the HIV estimates by NACC was 730 for the whole of last year.
Munini wa murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ino Regina Obam ogite kwa ihinda iraya bururi ukoretwo urorete iguru anyiti itemi ikundi itari cia thirikari kimbeca cia kuhurana na murimu uyu indi uteithio uyu ni unyihite na njira nene na no uhotomie bara ya murimu uyu na makiria makinya maria matacukitio.
The overall contribution for HIV from donor funding way back in the 2006 was almost 80-90%. But now we are seeing it coming down to almost 60%. So we're already seeing like at least some 40% that is being taken over by government.
Professor Sylvia Ojo augite ni makoretwo makirutithania wira kwa hakuhi na andu a bodaboda, andu a utegi wa thamaki o ũndũ ũmwe na mbeũ njĩthĩ harĩ kuhurana na murimu uyu.
And if you can work through the church to get HIV-related matters discussed within the church, that would be a very useful way of reaching young people. And that is what Kiambu County has been doing, working with the church, right from the officials, the bishops, the leadership, and engaging them, and then engaging young people effectively, so that the two can come together to address some of the issues that are pertinent.
Riu ni moretie thirikari kugathika mitaratara mikinyaniru ya kimbeca niguo guteithiriria kunyihia namba ya andu aria manyitagwo ni murimu uyu makiria. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Getwo Waithira wa Kihara.